you to please come forward, join us again for the Best Consumer Protector Award 2021. M. Sandeep. Check the names on the certificates and then take. Thank you. P.V. Narayana. I request you, sir, please enter stage first and please receive a token of love and certificate from our team. The next certificate of appreciation is for Mr. Ravi Kumar for the Best Consumer Rights Protect Award. The next, check the certificate and the name as well before you receive the certificates. The next certificate of appreciation is for G. Prashant Kumar. The next is Mr. Surendra. Check your name on the certificate, please, and then take it. Next, Sravanti Deshpande. I request you to come on the stage and join us. Sravanti Deshpande. Mr. Sridhar Rao. G. Surya Prakash. I request you to please come on the stage and join us for the Best Consumer Rights Protector Award 2021. Please check your certificates and names. Prashi Gandhi Satish Kumar ji, please have them stage for the Best Consumer Rights Protector Award 2021. The next certificate of appreciation is for Anish Shetty Murali. Please come and join us. And keep clapping, ladies and gentlemen. Your turn gonna come up on the stage. So you want all the other audience to clap, right? So you have to clap for them. Can I hear some round of applause for all the awardees here? Likewise, the next Mr. Kiran Kumar. Sir, watching Turaga stage fine now. Next, Mr. Amanath Garu. We will watch stage fine now. Amanath Garu, please come on the stage. The next certificate is, it goes to Navakant, Mr. Navakant. Claps, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Can I see some energy here? Shameen Parveen, Best Consumer Right Protector Award 2021. Please come forward and join us one by one. Mr. Lingamani Vasanti, please come forward. Dr. Apurva Raul, physician, yes. Dr. Apurva, please come on the stage and join us. Quickly, come on. Dr. Naresh, clinical physiotherapist. I request you to please come on the stage and grace the event. G. Pramila, yoga therapist. This certificate is for G. Pramila.
Madam, one second.
Sukanya, yoga therapist. I request Sukanya Garu to please come on the stage and join us. Yoga therapist.
One second, madam.
Please check the certificates and the names on it and then take it. Sukanya, yoga therapist.
Madam, sir.
Next, Tanuja Mitra Hands Foundation, NGO. Tanuja Garu, please hosting stage by now. Check your certificate and the name, please. Quickly. Harika Garu, please hosting any social activities. Harika. I request the awardees who have taken the medals and certificates kindly leave the dais, please. I only request the guest of honors to please be on the stage. Aster team will take your pictures, everything. After this event, we'll go for the group pictures and everything on the stage. For right now, I request everybody to please vacate the dais. I request all the awardees to please come down. We'll take all the group pictures in and white. Please come down. Other awardees are waiting. I request all of you to please vacate the stage right now. Thank you. Harika, social activities, please come on the stage. Harika garu, ఇక్కడ ఉండి please వచ్చేయండి త్వరగా stage పైన. Arun SI, yes, blood bank. For it is this certificate is proudly presented to Arun Ji, the Sub Inspector of Police. Mrs. Sujana, if you are here, please come forward and join us. Dr. Malik Singaraju, Senior Consultant, Oncologist, please come forward and join us. I request Deepthi Das to please come forward and join us. The next certificate of appreciation goes to Sukhada Gupta, Socialist. Okay, so Asra team ఒకసారి వచ్చేయండి పైన ఒక గ్రూప్ పిక్చర్ తీసుకుంటున్నాం ఇక్కడ. Asra team వాళ్ళ అందరు మెంబర్స్ ఇక్కడ పైన వచ్చేయండి. ఒక క్విక్ గ్రూప్ పిక్చర్ విత్ ఆల్ ది Asra team members here. వెంకట్ గారు మీకోసం ఇక్కడ అనౌన్స్మెంట్. వెంకట్ గారు ప్లీజ్ వచ్చేయండి స్టేజ్ పైన. Ladies in the front, ladies in the front. After team, ladies front. Let the ladies be the faces. Yeah, come on, you all are taller anyhow, all the men here. Let the ladies be in front. By the way, all the ladies are looking stunning in the places here. So 3 chairs for Astra. Hip hip. Hey, yeah, you guys are not shouting. I'm announcing for you all. Yeah, Astra team. Whoa, amazing. Venkat sir, వచ్చేయండి త్వరగా స్టేజ్ పైన ప్లీజ్. వెంకట్ గారు సార్ మీరే కూడా ఏమో సార్ వచ్చేయండి సార్ ప్లీజ్. As I said, ladies in the front, guys, come on, yeah. Give a chance to ladies to be in the front. Ladies, I request the ladies to please go forward and stand. Give some space to the ladies here. Ladies in front. Okay, I'm giving you just 5 seconds for the picture now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Guys, we have to rush for the other categories. Please hurry up. Sudha ma'am is such a delight to watch. Seriously.
ఒక ఫోటో అయిపోయా మీరు ఒక్కటి అయిపోయాక తీసుకోండి.
Thank you so much. Thank you. We are done with the photo shoot. We are done with Astra team here. Astra team, thank you so much.
రెడీ
Sridhar Reddy garu ready unandi for the yoga Ratna yoga therapist certification. Sridhar Reddy garu. And I request everybody to please vacate the stage right now. Thank you so much, all the ladies, for coming here and joining us. We wish you all the best. Thank you. And now I request all of you to please come down. Everybody please come down except the guest of honors. Thank you so much. Sukhana Gupta, one by one, please come forward and join us. Sukhana Gupta, socialist. फटाफट से प्लीज आ जाए स्टेज पर एंड वी गेटिंग लेट वी हैव टू हरी अप फॉर सर्टिफिकेशंस. Mrs. Rujana, Telangana Icon 2020. She is not here. Okay. Padmaja Kolluru, social activist, please come and join us. Sridhar Rao, advocate. Sridhar Rao, Mr. Sridhar Rao, advocate. Sir, please Ocheli. Check the certificate and the name on it, please. Anita, women-related health issues trainer. Yeah. I request Anita Garu to please come on the stage and join us. Satish Vemula, NGO service. Mr. Satish Vemula. Mr. Satish Vemula, please come on the dais. Gudla Dhana Lakshmi. Gudla Dhana Lakshmi Trust Chairman. This certificate of appreciation goes to Lakshmi ji. Please Ajo Lakshmi Garu. The next is Miss Shravya Mandani, COVID-19 Award. Okay, so Venkat Garu, actually special announcement, Venkat Garu introduced our organizer Vamsi sir. So that is the reason he has joined the team. So I request sir to please do the honors. The next Miss Shravya, please come. COVID-19 award.
ఫ్రెండ్స్ వెంకట్ గురించి నేను ఒక రెండు మాటలు చెప్తాను. ఈ సన్న గురించి కూడా చెప్పిన లేటెస్ట్ స్పీచ్. సో వెంకట్ ద్వారానే నేను ఈ అవసర ఆర్గనైజేషన్ గారికి వచ్చాను. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా ముందుకు సర్వీస్ చేయాలని కోరుకున్నాను. క్లాప్స్ టు వెంకట్ అండ్ నాని గారు అండ్ వెంకట్ ప్లీజ్. రైట్, మనకు అందరికి ఆర్గనైజ్ వస్తుంది. త్వరగా ఫాస్ట్గా నేను కంప్లీట్ చేసేస్తాం. నో ప్రాబ్లం.
Okay, so with that, we have a special guest here for tonight, Professor Dr. Mohammad Ehsan Faruqi. Sir, please have the stage for. He is the former Additional Director, Department of Ayush, Government of Telangana. We welcome you, sir. Please, आ जाए यहाँ पे stage पर. बहुत स्वागत है आपका यहाँ पे. Thank you. Can I get a thank you momentum please for sir? Thank you. Okay, we have some cars, Bolero and okay, so we have Eco Sports as well. So I request the car owners to please take out the cars from the gate side. We are having an issue over there. Ford Figo as well. The car owners, I request you to please clear. Thank you. The next is Ms. Shavya. Are you here? Shavya for the COVID-19 award. Shavya, if you're here, please join us. Next is Subhadra Rani, COVID Services. Subhadra Rani, yes. S.R. Premaya, social activist. Premaya. The next MP Praveen Kumar Garu, please social stage paina. Praveen Kumar, social activist. Next, Ayush Jain, social activist. Ayush Jain, please come forward. Premaya. Praveen Kumar, MP Praveen Kumar, social activist again. Praveen Kumar. Lakshmi Vishwanathan, classical dancer. Lakshmi Vishwanathan, classical dancer. A token of certificate of appreciation to Lakshmi Vishwanathan. And the next is Rajamata Foundation Team NGO. Volunteer from Rajamata Foundation Team. It's an NGO. Any volunteer, please come forward. The next is Jayarami Reddy, social activist. Jayarami Reddy. The next category is for the therapist here. Dr. Fizzle, Senior Verma Consultant. Mohammad Shabbir, Acupuncture and Hijama, the certification of appreciation. Mohammad Shabbir. Mohammad Shabbir, yes. The next is Anjanayu, yoga trainer and socialist. And now I request the guest of honors, you have been here since a long time, please settle down. We'll invite some other guests here. Shailendra sir, please come on the stage and join us. Shailendra sir, to honor the other awardees. Pooja Shinde, practitioner, access consciousness guard, please I welcome you on the stage. Pooja Shinde. Sri Janpali Satish Raju, Pranamitra COVID-19 Award. Satish Raju. And I request the volunteers to please get some water bottles on the stage for the guest performers. The next, Abdul Rafi, acupuncture, Mr. Abdul Rafi. Dr. Mehmood Nawaz Khan, physiotherapy and alternative medicine. Dr. Mehmood Nawaz Khan. Check your names on the certificate and please then take it. Chandra Sarita, acupuncture. Okay, so I request the card holders here, please vacate some of the cards are distributed. For the rest of them, they cannot go outside with their cards. It's a big, like people are waiting to remove their cards out there. So please do. I request the owners again to please follow up. Chandra Sarita, please come forward and join us. Tej Raj Chaudhary, acupressure. Raj Chaudhary, Gopur, acupressure. Dr. K. Murali Krishna, Chief Physiotherapist. Certificate of appreciation goes to Dr. K. Murali Krishna. Check your names on the certificates, please. Dr. K. Murali Krishna, Chief Physiotherapist. The next, Anita, Yoga Therapist. Anita Garu, Yoga Therapist, please come forward and join us. Anita Vajpayee Julanis, Yoga Therapist. Next, D. Pratap, Surya Yoga Foundation. Certificate of Appreciation, D. Pratap, Surya Yoga Foundation. Guduru Nageswar Rao, Advanced Yoga Practitioner and International Yoga Player. Certificate of Appreciation for Nageswar Rao, Advanced Yoga Practitioner and International Yoga Player.
Okay, sir, I like it. Hello, sir.
Umang Singh, Yoga Women Entrepreneur. Certificate of Appreciation, Umang Singh, Yoga Women Entrepreneur. Janardhana Chari Kaparti, acupuncturist.
Okay, madam.
Please come forward and join us. Many congratulations to all the awardees here. Likewise, moving forward, we have Suchita Joshi, Yoga Therapist. Suchita Joshi. Suchita Joshi. The next, Raju Shetty, Panchagavya and Millets. Raju Shetty. Mr. Raju Shetty, please come forward. K. Abhinav Vikas, Mudra Therapist. K. Abhinav appreciation is for Sri Harika, Yoga Sadhak. Akhila Nari, Yoga Sadhak again, Akhila. The next certificate is for Akhila. The next, Dr. H.K. Mohammad Imran Uddin Nizami, Pramitra COVID-19 Seva Award. Imran Uddin Nizami, Certificate of Appreciation. The next, Dr. P. Venkata Siva Lakshmi, Yoga Therapist. Dr. P. Venkata Siva Lakshmi, Yoga Therapist. I request ma'am to please come on the stage and join us quickly. A. Sanskar Rao, International Yoga Coach. Okay, so before proceeding for the next certificates here, I have the numbers here in my hand. TS08EB3783. 3783. किसका गाड़ी का नंबर है ये? प्लीज आप थोड़ा सा हटाइए वहां से, थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है पार्किंग में. 3783 and the next number is TS07GN9888. 9888. You have to remove your card. It's disturbing out there at the back. Thank you so much. The next is Rupal Lavanya, nutritionist and Sujog and acupuncture therapist. Rupal Lavanya. Dr. K. Sri Harsha, PETMIAD, certificate of appreciation to you. The next, Dr. Kasi Reddy, Jyoti Reddy, Panchagavya. Jyoti Madam, Dr. Sheikh Sonu Pasha, Ayurveda and acupuncture. Dr. Sheikh,
Hello.
Ayurveda and
ఇక్కడ
acupuncture.
9/4 కాల్ చేయాలంటే అడ్డంగా ఉంది. గాడి
Dr. Lakshman, acupuncture. Dr. Lakshman, acupuncture. Quick. And ladies and gentlemen, one more guest has arrived here. Mr. Devagnya Sharma, numerologist. We welcome you, sir. Namaste. सर को ऑनर करते हैं. यहाँ पे एक शॉल और सर्टिफिकेट के साथ प्लीज लेके आए सर के लिए. प्लीज सर्टिफिकेट दीजिए इनको. और हमारे स्पेशल गेस्ट के लिए पर हो जाए जोरदार तालियां. थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग सर एंड जॉइनिंग.
సెవెన్ డబల్ నైన్ టూ మార్చి కార్ ఉంటుందండి. హలో 799 మార్చి కార్ అవుతుందండి. అది చాలా అత్యంత తీయాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాం. 7992.
सो देवज्ञ सर, आप यहाँ पे रहे स्टेज पर और आपको देना है थोड़े से अवार्ड्स की सर्टिफिकेट. यही रहेगा. Dr. Lakshman, please आ जाए acupuncture. The next Kanaka Vardhini music therapy. Why Kanaka Vardhini music therapy? Dr. Devi Sailaja, BBT AOMPT, Malaysia. Please come forward and join us. Dr. Devi Sailaja.
7992 కార్ చేయాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాం. ఇక్కడ 7992.
Prasanna Kumar, I request you to please come forward. Yoga therapist, Prasanna Kumar. Prasanna Kumar. Dr. Junaid Khan, Hijama Wellness Center. Dr. Junaid Khan. ఒకసారి సర్టిఫికేట్ మీ పేరు చూసుకోండి ప్లీజ్. प्रसन्ना कुमार गारू వచ్చేయండి. डॉक्टर जुनैद खान आप भी आ जाए स्टेज पर हिजामा वेलनेस सेंटर से. और हमारे नेक्स्ट सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन जाता है डॉक्टर नरेश अबोला, सीनियर फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट एंड एक्यूपंक्चरिस्ट. प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज एंड जॉइन अस. Thank you. Next please. Dr. Junaid Khan. Dr. Junaid Khan, Dr. Reddy Paparao, naturopathy. Rama Mohan Rao Patkar, acupuncture. Next. Rama Mohan Rao. I request Srujana ma'am to join us on the dais. Mrs. Telangana Icon to 2020. And on behalf of Rama Mohan Rao, we have his wife. Please, ma'am. Dr. Reddy Paparao, naturopathy, please come forward. The next is Sheetal Soni. K. Ravindra Raju, acupuncturist. K. Ravindra Raju, acupuncturist, please come forward. Sheetal Soni, acupressure. Sheetal Soni. Sheetal Soni, acupressure, yes. Mandala Nagaraju, yoga. Please check the names on your certificates. I'm announcing for one more time here. I request all the awardees to please check their names on the certificates and then receive it. Dr. Reddy Paparao. Dr. Reddy Paparao. Mandala Nagaraju. Pratima Srivastav, acupuncture. Pratima Srivastav. Hazira Fatima, acupuncture. Okay, on behalf of her, we have a volunteer here. Humala Lakshman, acupuncture. Humala Lakshman, acupuncture again. Vaidya Vibhushan, Dr. Hari Kumar, HT surgeon and anti-aging specialist and certification of appreciation goes to you, sir. Vibhushan Dr. Hari Kumar Garu, please watch the stage right now. Next, magician Dr. Pallavi Nashik, empowered physiotherapy, fitness and swimming. A. Sanskar Rao, international yoga coach. A. Sanskar Rao, international yoga coach. Arihant Rajesh, Vastu expert and numerologist. A. Sanskar Rao, international yoga coach. Please आप अपने नाम बोलिए यहाँ पे. Check your certificate before you go. Please check your certificate. Check the names. Arihant Rajesh, Vastu expert and numerologist. Dr. Ghulam Hussain, acupuncture. G. Ramadevi, public service. Sanskar Rao, Dr. Ghulam Hussain. Dr. K. Hemavati, master energy healer. Hemavati Garu, please watch master energy healer. Check your names on the certificates, please. Police Sridhar, acupuncture. Sanskar Rao, please come forward. Okay, Dr. Hemavati, next. A. Sanskar Rao. Sunil Kumar, acupuncture. Sunil Kumar, acupuncture. Pratipati Kamaraju, physiotherapist. Pratipati Kamaraju, physiotherapist. Professor Dr. Mohammad Hassan Faruqi, former Director, Department of Ayush, Government of Telangana. Mohammad Hassan Faruqi, certificate. Check the names of the certificates before you receive it. Professor Dr. Mohammad Hassan Faruqi, the next Dr. Gaurav Verma, medical microbiologist. Dr. Gaurav Verma. Dr. Gaurav Verma, IS Ravi Kumar, acupuncture. S. Mahendra Kumar,